sleep on that truck. Hey, be sure to catch me next week at the Florana Demolition Derby. Hey. Oh man, this job is too much fun. Look at those beady little eyes. He's got that 1,000-yard stare. Now it's time to get down and dirty. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big hand for Ratchet and Clank. They'll take home a rare first edition Quark video comic. And here to present the grand prize, the incredible, incomparable, talented Courtney Gears.
If we play this right, she'll lead us right to Dr. Nefarious. Better let me do the talking. It is an honor for you to meet me. I mean, to meet you, Miss Pierce. Hi. Hi.
My. You're even more gorgeous in person than you are on the holo, Agent Clank. I've got a few secrets of my own that might need special investigation.
Yes, I will report your concerns to the proper authorities.
Oh, Agent Clank, you always know exactly what to say to a woman. You know, I'd do anything to play a part in one of your holo films.
That could be arranged, Miss Gears, if you are willing to provide information on the whereabouts of Dr. Nefarious.
Dr. Nefarious? You have been busy, haven't you? You just get me that part, and I'll tell you anything you want to know.
Excellent. Meet me at Hollow Star Studios.